Hello students, see this previous year question from JEE Mains. We have the total charge 2q distributed in a sphere of radius r with the charge density rho given by kr. That means the charge is non-uniformly distributed on the sphere. The density is changing along with the radius. When r is the center, is the distance from the center. Okay. Two charges A and B of minus q each are placed on diametrically opposite points at equal distance A from the center. If A and B do not experience any force, then. Now, the first confusion that you might get is that the distance A should be more than capital R. That is not correct. The distance A should be less than capital R. Otherwise, you cannot achieve equilibrium. Okay. Because let's first draw the diagram. So this is your sphere with charge 2q, and if you keep the 2 point charges outside the sphere, okay, then the distance between these two charges is more than the distance of them from the center. So the repulsive force between them will be less than the attractive force due to the positively charged sphere. So these two charges cannot remain in equilibrium. That means the two charges should be inside the sphere. Okay, that means this distance A should be less than R. Now, again understand something. If the charges are kept over here, then what is the force applied by the sphere on the charges? So if you remember the properties of a solid sphere with charge distribution, then only the charge inside this sphere, only the charge inside the sphere will be able to apply force on the negative q charges. Okay, whatever positive charge is present inside this sphere, only that will be able to apply force on these two negative charges. The charge outside this red colored sphere is useless. Okay, so first of all, using the equilibrium condition, let's find the total charge inside this red colored sphere. So the sphere will behave like a point charge. Let the point charge be q. Okay, and here we got the two negative charges, minus q. The distance between them is a. Okay, you getting my point? This sphere will have total charge small q, and because of spherical distribution it will behave like a point charge, applying force on these two charges. The charge outside this red colored sphere, that is the charge in this space, is useless. We don't need that. Okay, now let's look at the forces. So this minus q charge will repel this minus q charge with force how much? Force equal to k q square by 4a square. Okay, k q1 q2 divided by radius squared or distance squared. So total distance is 2a. Square of 2a will be 4a square. At the same time, this minus q charge will be attracted by the positive q charge, and that attraction force will be how much? KQQ by a square. So this attraction force and this repulsion force should balance each other for equilibrium. So from here what do I get? A square will cancel out, k will cancel out, q will cancel out. So I'll get q equal to q by 4. Okay, q equal to q by 4. Now we use this information to solve the question. Okay, in the question we have to find the value of a in terms of capital R. So first of all, let's understand the total charge on the sphere is 2q and its density is kr. What does this mean? If I take a sphere, okay, and inside the sphere I take a shell of radius r. Okay, wait. Yeah. So if for this radius r, what is the charge density of this spherical shell, thin spherical shell? The charge density of the shell will be kr. So that means I can find the charge of the shell if I know the volume of the shell. So let's say the thickness of the shell is dr. Very small thickness. Okay, very small thickness compared to the radius r. So charge on shell charge on shell. dq will be how much? That will be density kr multiplied by its volume. Volume will be how much? 4 pi r square dr. Okay. Surface area is 4 pi r square multiplied by thickness is dr. Okay. So I can find the total charge q equal to how much? 4 pi k integration r cube dr. So this will be equal to pi k r power 4. This is the charge inside the radius r of the sphere. Now we use the properties. For the total sphere, charge is 2q, right? So for the total sphere, charge is 2q. So when r equal to capital R, that is we take the full sphere. So charge will be 2q, will be equal to pi k r power 4 or capital R power 4. So that means I get k equal to 2q by pi r power 4. I found the value of k, right? Now we apply this in our requirement over here. For a radius a, for a sphere of radius a, the charge inside the sphere is, we have calculated q by 4. Only then the negative charges are in equilibrium. So this q by 4 will be how much? For r equal to a, q by 4 will be equal to, use this formula pi k r power 4 or pi k a power 4. So q by 4 is equal to pi, k is how much? 2q by pi r power 4, 2q by pi r power 4 times a power 4, correct? So from here I will get, on solving this, a will be equal to r times 8 to the power 1 by 4. Let's check the options. 1 second. Yeah, small mistake. It should be r divided by 8 to the power 1 by 4, right? So there will be r times 8 to the power minus 1 by 4. Okay. So option C will be correct.